To work a C1B1, I'll slip the first stitch onto a cable needle and hold it in back. From the left needle, I can see that this design stitch is not the same color as the working yarn, so I'm going to slip it with my yarn in back. This design stitch on the cable needle is in the same color as the working yarn, so I'm going to knit it through the back loop. In this case, I worked one of the two legs of this cable crossing. Each leg of the cable crossing is a design element and is treated independently. For example, in this cable crossing, there's two contrast color design stitches. Neither of them will be worked on this row. With this pair of stitches, both design elements are in the color of the working yarn, and they'll both be worked after they're crossed.